Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Webull margin account to a cash account. First, open the Webull app on your phone. Then, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the menu, tap on More. After that, scroll all the way down until you see Settings. Next, tap on All Settings. This will open a new page that gives you access to your account options. Now, scroll to the very bottom of the settings page until you find Switch Account. Tap on it. Here, you'll see options that say Upgrade Cash Account to Margin Account or Switch Margin Account to Cash Account, depending on your current account type. Simply tap on Change Account Type. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and confirm your switch. And that's it. That's how you change your Webull margin account to a cash account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.